help.
Flight number 13. Now, hopefully that's not a superstitious, unlucky number. Last flight of the day, and we made it through here in Houston. Off the plane, through global entry, bags came off right away, dropped the bags in less than 10 minutes. I think we set a new record. Once again, we're in an emergency exit row, but this row, row 20, the seats don't recline, but that's all right. It's only a 2.5-hour flight. The flight is oversold, but they're not giving enough money to make it worthwhile being uncomfortable for a couple more hours. If they up the ante, I'm off the plane. It's nothing like the other flight that we just flew to Houston.
Let a flight attendant know if you need any
Much
help.
smaller,
You may use
not
your small, lightweight devices such as mobile phones, tablets.
And now we're heading this way, almost straight north.
First Officer Chris. My name is Ashley. I'm your flight service coordinator. We'd like to welcome back our Mileage Plus members who are earning or using award miles on this flight.
It's a safety presentation that you hear in the background.
Left 2 exits nearest your seat. Remember.